So students, see chapter number 5, water for every household. Now we are going to solve exercise. Okay, so question number 1 is fill in the blanks. In that, first fill in the blank. Water does not become dash dash. Water does not become stale. Second fill in the blanks. Keeping tap on the container prevents dash dash. Keeping tap on the container prevents contamination. Now students, third fill in the blank. Machines used for lifting water are called dash dash. Machines used for lifting water are called as pumps. Now question number 2 is state following statements are right or wrong. State following statements are right or wrong. In that, first statement is Seema drank water from the pot and left lid beside it. Seema drank water from the pot and left lid beside it. It's wrong. Now second right or wrong is when water comes in the tap, Sai empties her pots and fills it again. This statement is also wrong. Now third statement, Reshma carries drinking water with her when she goes for a picnic. It's very good habit. Reshma carries drinking water with her when she goes for a picnic. It's right. Now student, question number 3. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 words. So first question is, where is drinking water made potable? You know, potable means water that is safe for drinking. Where is drinking water made potable? Answer is water purification center. Now second is, on which fuel does the pump run? On which fuel does the pump run? Pump runs on diesel or electricity. Pumps run on diesel or electricity. Now the question 3 is, what is the best method of taking water from the container? The best method of taking water from the container is fixing a tap on the container. Now fourth number question is, which are the containers that are made from the mud? The containers that are made from the mud are earthen pots. Now the fifth number question is, which metal were used to make pots in earlier days? In earlier days, copper and brass material were used. What is the arrangement made to give water to all called? Means the arrangement which is made to give water to all is called as water distribution. Now the 7th number question is, which are the sources of water in the villages? In the villages there are lakes, river and reservoirs are the main sources of water. Now question number 4 is, what are the ways to save the water? There are different ways. By using that ways we can save the water. So ways to save the water. Water that has been taken for use should not be thrown away. First point is, water that has been taken for use should not be thrown away. Next point is, do not leave the tap open without any reason. We should do not leave the tap open without any reason. Third point is reuse the water. Means we reuse the water. For what? Which purposes? The water is used for washing vegetables and fruits. Can be used for gardening purpose. Means for example, the water which we use for washing vegetables and fruit, that water don't throw away. That water is used for gardening purpose. Now next 4 point is we need not turn on the tap fully when we rinse cloths or utensil. When we washing the cloths, washing the utensil, at that time we need not turn on the tap fully. Okay students, you understood this. You have to write down this exercise as it is in your notebook and recite it at home. And next part means next lesson we will start in our next video. So thank you. Be safe, stay healthy.